Last time I was working good before the war, but last 2 weeks, very bad situation. No, nothing. Very, very bad. No tourists here. We have no tourists. Nothing. Should be a lot of people now. Full, but now nothing.
Business was last month ago was much better than now, but since October 7th, just dying. All the tourists left the country, so because there's no tourists, we have no business at all. The old city is only for tourists. Since no tourists, so there is no business. It's finished, done. Like Corona time.